Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion I'm going to show you the point of sale exercise and you have to perform, and here we will use Odoo 19 and here we have to install the point of sale and the sale module. Okay, sale and the sale underscore management. Now our goal is, let's say whenever we are creating any let's say the orders from the POS screen, so in that case the orders is created under the POS dot order model, right? So this is the POS order, but instead we have to create a sales order, this one, from the POS screen. This feature is not yet available in the Odoo, so here we have to create the same feature in point of sale. So first thing is, we are going to, in the point of sale, we can start the point of sale here, right? We can select, or let's say the scan multiple products, right? Right now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 products is available here, right? I will try to select the customer, let's say the Azure interior. Then after, we have to click to this action. Here in the action we have to add this button, create sale order. We have to bind one method in the JS side. We have to collect all the information, such as what is the logged in person of this POS session, which means the admin right now, what is the customer, so it says Azure interior, and how many products we selected with the quantity and with the price. We have to collect these informations from the POS side, I mean in the JS side, and after we will push this data into the backend side, and in the backend side it will automatically create a one sales order and it will return the sales order name, and we have to show here the pop-up message, let's say successfully created this and that sales order name. Okay, so let's say, let me perform here one demo for you. So let's say once I will click to this create sale order, you can see successfully created SO0034 sale order. Now I will not try to, let's say, close this one. Once I will close, so you can see automatically this cart also clear. Okay, so for that let me also open a new tab. Okay, so here you can see sales, and you can see here the 34 number, right? You can see this one, sales order is created, and you can see the Azure interior, right? Then after, if you see here, the missile admin as a salesperson automatically available here with 6 different products also available. And now you can see here you have to also match the amount 2772.05. you can also see here, right? The tax is 361.57. you can see here, right? So like this way you have to create, you have to try to create like this functionality in Odoo version 19. Once I will click this button, now you can see the card also clear. All right, again let me show you one more time. 1 2, so I'm trying to add here 2 orders, or let's say, and one more thing is here, if I will try to click to this button, right? So this, don't worry about this validation error message. You can see here the pop-up message should be appear, please select at least one product into the cart. Okay, then after you can see also here select customer before create a sales order, right? And once you click to this button, automatically this customer profile also available here, the list of customers we have to select. You can see here automatically selected. Let me add here some product, right? And again I will try to click to this create sale order, so it will automatically create a new sales order. So let me go to here, open this one, and you can see the customer is this one, right? Then after 2 products we have choose, right, with the one quantity, the price is also there, you can also match here. Oh yeah, one more thing is, you can see here 2.28 and you can see here 1.98. don't confuse here because this one include the taxes, right? And if you see here with the total amount, you can see here 2.28, right? So yeah, like this way you have to perform this exercise in Odoo version 19. And don't worry about the solution. I actually created one solution for you and it's available publicly after 1 month. Alright, so till now try to perform this exercise. If you have any doubt, you can just comment in the comment section, and see you in our next session. Alright, and yes, best of luck.